Okay, so Dyson Spheres. Dyson Spheres are a part of a field known as astroengineering. Now, you might have a couple questions for me now that I've said that, starting with, what exactly is astroengineering? Does it have to do with astronauts? What about engineers? Anything to do with aliens? Did you just make up that word? The answer to all those questions is yes. Astroengineering is the act of building super large things in space. Things that might look really intimidating, but in reality have pretty unexciting purposes, like making energy, or doing long math problems, or moving the entire sun and the solar system. You know, boring stuff. We'll focus on the making energy part for now. After all, that's what Dyson Spheres do. But I'm getting ahead of myself already. First, we have to talk about where exactly the energy we as humans use comes from. Electricity is the key to the modern world, just as fire was key for our ancestors. It powers most of your house, it starts your car, charges your phone, and lets you watch this video. So, where does it come from? We don't really stop to think about it, but ultimately all of our electricity comes indirectly from the sun. Fossil fuels are the result of dinosaurs a long time ago living by just the sun and dying. Solar power is self-explanatory. Hydroelectricity comes from water kept unfrozen by the sun, and so on and so forth. Not to mention that Earth as it is wouldn't be the same without this glorious ball of fire in the sky. And so, we get to the main topic of our video. What's a Dyson Sphere? Here, I'll let you guess. Really get those creative juices flowing, turn those technical gears, think about the craziest, wildest, most amazing, it's literally a ball around the sun. Before you get disappointed, it's actually pretty smart and something nobody else had thought of until this one guy, Freeman Dyson, thought of it. Really, he actually thought of it because he predicted it would be the best way to look for aliens, since it's the sign of very smart aliens. But he ended up making super in-depth plans for it anyway, so that in case anyone wanted to build something that needed, 3 quadrillion cubic meters in material, they would have something to go off of. In case that number isn't big enough for you, we can just look at how much energy the sun gives off. The sun produces around 3.83 times 10 to the power of 26 joules per second. Fancy science talk for 383,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 joules per second. Phew, and you thought the amount of homework you have is a lot. You don't need to remember that number. I don't even remember it, and I just said it. All you need to know is that with a Dyson Sphere around the sun, we could make more energy in a second than the entire Earth uses in a whole year. If I can tell you one thing, it's that is a lot more than 3.83 times 10 to the power of 26 cute cat pictures. A lot more. Like a planet made of cats more. The only problem is, we can't build it. So why are we even talking about it? Good question. But we as humans like to plan for things like natural disasters, the apocalypse, the Walking Dead. Did you know the US has a military plan for zombies? Anyway, it's great for everyone to think about these super science-y questions and ideas, because it gives us ideas for the future and broadens our horizons. So, the next time you look up at the sky, be inspired.